Welcome to Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I would like to share with you a personal trick that I like to use when I have shirts that like to ride up at the collar. This is a high-low shirt, which means it's shorter at the front and longer in the back, which means there's more fabric in the back, so that shirt always wants to go towards the back instead of being where it belongs. So I do have a trick that I like to use to keep the shirt down. It involves an earring. I need an earring that does have a thin loop around it, similar to this style. I also need something that is a little bit heavy, and that's going to counterbalance the weight in the shirt. Do that up. Undo a button where you have a space underneath. So in my case, it would be this button. Now I could just take that earring, put it underneath the button, and redo up my button. But that little weight is going to keep that shirt where it belongs. And if someone happens to peek at it, well, it looks nice as well. Try a few different earrings and try a few different places, and you'll know which works great for you. Now this only works for a button-down shirt, but it really makes it so much more comfortable. So that earring is right in here. This is a simple trick, but it works. It's all about balancing the weight for the front to the back. I have found that perfect earring for the weight of this shirt, so every time I put this on, I automatically add this, and then I have to add new earrings. I do hope one of these days you'll remember this trick when you're having that shirt right up where you don't want it to be. Thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I have a newsletter. It's all free under Sew Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a Sewtacular day or a tricky day. Bye for now.